or the past few months. I've seen hundreds of people claiming that uploading Doraemon episodes is one of the easiest ways to make money on YouTube. Some videos show channels getting millions of views. Others claim you can start earning within days. Honestly, it sounded too good to be true. So instead of believing random videos online, I decided to test everything myself. For the next 120 hours, I created a brand new challenge. I would build a Doraemon-focused YouTube channel, upload content, track every result, and document every single problem I faced along the way. No fake screenshots. No made-up earnings. Just a real experiment. By the end of these 5 days, I'd know one thing for sure. Can you actually make money uploading Doraemon content? Or is the internet completely wrong? Let's find out. Day 1. The first day started with a lot of excitement. Like most beginners, I thought the hardest part would be creating the channel. Turns out, that wasn't even close. Creating a YouTube channel took only a few minutes. The real challenge started the moment I began preparing my first upload. Before posting anything, I spent hours researching other Doraemon channels. Some had thousands of subscribers. Some had millions of views. At first, it looked like an easy opportunity. But the deeper I looked, the more questions I had. How were these channels still online? Were they actually making money? Or was there something nobody was talking about? There was only one way to find out. I uploaded my first video. And waited. Day 2. The results came faster than I expected. And honestly, they weren't good. Almost immediately, I started running into copyright issues. Some videos were restricted. Others couldn't be viewed in important regions. At that moment, I realized something most YouTube tutorials never mention. Getting views and being able to monetize those views are two completely different things. Just because a video exists on YouTube doesn't mean it's earning money. That completely changed how I looked at this challenge. Day 3. By now, I stopped asking, how do I get more views? Instead, I started asking, can this content even become a real business? The answer wasn't looking very promising. Every time I thought I'd found a solution, another restriction appeared. Different uploads. Different edits. Same problem. That's when I realized this challenge wasn't about beating the system. It was about understanding how YouTube actually works. Day 4. After spending 4 straight days testing different approaches, one thing became painfully obvious. There isn't a magical editing trick or a secret upload method that suddenly turns copyrighted content into safe content. No matter what rumors you hear online, copyright ownership doesn't disappear because a video has been edited. And that's where so many creators waste weeks, sometimes months, chasing something that simply isn't sustainable. Day 5. After 120 hours, here's my honest conclusion. Can you upload Doraemon-related content to YouTube? Yes. But if your plan is to upload copyrighted episodes and expect reliable monetization, you're taking a huge risk. Views don't automatically mean income. And surviving today doesn't guarantee your channel will survive tomorrow. The creators who build long-term businesses usually create original value, not by relying on someone else's copyrighted content. So if you're thinking about starting this type of channel, don't ask, can this get views? Ask, can I build this for the next 3 years without constantly worrying about copyright? Because that's the question that actually matters. As for this challenge, it answered exactly what I wanted to know. Sometimes, the biggest win isn't finding an easy way to make money. It's avoiding months of wasted time chasing an idea that was never sustainable in the first place. If this experiment saved you time, subscribe. Because on this channel, I test online business ideas, AI tools, and creator opportunities. So you don't have to. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next challenge.